Getting lot of clicks but no conversion. Do you know why? No, and that's exactly why you're watching this video. Hey everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are tackling a common problem, website traffic but no lead. You have got the right people coming in but they are not converting. Frustrating, right? Well, fear not, we are going to uncover the hidden reasons users are not converting and show you a free tool that can help you fix it. The problem blind spot. So you have got great traffic but your conversion rate is ghost town. The problem is traditional analytics don't tell the whole story. You can't see what users are actually doing on your website. They might be getting lost, frustrated or confused. But without knowing how they interact, it's impossible to fix the problem. This is where Microsoft Clarity comes in. It's a free tool that records user sessions like a shoulder camera for your website. You can see exactly how users navigate your website, where they click and where they get stuck. It's like watching them live but without the creepy factor. And the best part, it's completely free. So finding the fix. Let's see Clarity in action. Here's a user who seems very interested. They are scrolling through the page, reading the content, clearly engaged. But then they hit a snag. They click on a free code button a few times but nothing happens. They get frustrated and eventually abandon the page. See how this one broken button can completely derail a potential lead. This would be obvious with traditional analytics, but with Clarity, it's clear as day. Second, taking action and seeing results. Now let's use these insights to make some changes. We will make that button clickable, so every time he clicks on this button, he gets redirected to a quotation form. While addressing these users' frustration, we can dramatically improve your conversion rate. So there you have it. Microsoft Clarity, a free tool that can help you understand your users and skyrocket your conversions. Head down to the link in the description below to try Microsoft Clarity for free. It is easy to install. You just have to sign up for the Microsoft Clarity, fill the information, then you can install it by integrating with Google Tag Manager, WordPress or other platforms. And then once it is linked, you can start seeing the recording of your sessions, and that's how you can improve your conversion rate. So the question is how to set up Microsoft Clarity. To do this, let's get into the screen. So first log into Microsoft Clarity. To do that, search for Microsoft Clarity. You can find on the top Microsoft Clarity. Once you click on that, you can sign in. If you haven't signed up yet, you can sign up. I have already signed up, so I can create new project. To create for new website, click on new project, then assign a name. Then add the website name, then select the industry, once you click on the setup button, you then have the different option to install it by linking it with third-party platforms. You can link it with Shopify, Squarespace, WordPress, Wix or other, or you can manually install this either. But if you have already GTM linked, I would suggest to link it with the GTM. That would easily make it accessible and implement it easily. Once you click on the integration with GTM, you will have to approve it. Once you click on the continue, then you can find the GTM accounts. Under your ID, you can select the relevant GTM account. Once you have selected, then you can select the container. Once you select that, you can create and publish. Once you do that, you will be able to see the session recordings easily in Microsoft Clarity. I hope the information shared is useful to you. Please apply it and improve your conversion rate. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon.